Here I have ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Smart Saving Mode. So like by tapping here you can enable power saving mode or ultra saving mode. You can also change some of its settings by going to more, or by just holding down your finger on this button. So here you can, for example, here you can select this power saving mode. You can set it to turn on automatically at a specific battery level. You can set up a schedule for this mode, and you can set it to disable power saving mode when device is charging. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.